Hi everyone! I just got back from a week of vacation in the Bahamas, and this sunscreen has genuinely been my daily staple the entire trip. I want to tell you all about it. This is the Suzanne Organics Tinted Mineral Sunscreen in bronze, and it is SPF 25 with 14.5% non-nano zinc oxide, so it gives you a real physical barrier against both UVA and UVB rays. While I was in the Bahamas, soaking up all that sun by the water every single day, this is what I reached for. It is not just a sunscreen either. It is packed with organic aloe leaf juice, jojoba seed oil, and shea butter, so it is really moisturizing my skin instead of drying it out the way a lot of sunscreens do. And the bronze tint gives the most gorgeous, sheer, sun-kissed glow. It actually looks like a bronzer melted into a moisturizer. Now that I am home, I have kept using it every single day because I love it so much. Let me show you how I apply it. First, I need to clean up my face. So let me wash away any dirt or oil so the product can really sink in. Okay, now that my face is clean, I am going to put this sunscreen on my face right now. I am just going to take a small amount and blend it evenly all over my face and my neck. It blends in so smoothly, there is no white cast at all, and my skin already feels so much softer. Look at that, my face looks so nice and bright right now. It has this healthy glow that looks so natural. If you want to try this sunscreen for yourself, I will leave the link right here for you. Thank you so much for watching.